So if your Google is not working or your Google apps are not opening, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix this Google keeps stopping problem. So watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So the error Google keep stopping is not a big issue, but it irritates you because it may occur anytime. It may occur while downloading, browsing, or even using Google search. So now let's talk about some ways to fix this issue. The easiest way to fix this issue is to restart your device. Restarting your phone may delete the file that causing this error on your device. The second way is to clear the Google Apps cache, because sometimes this error might be due to the cache files. To clear cache, open settings, go to apps, go to Google, tap on storage and clear cache. Third way is the reinstallation of updates. To do this, open settings, go to apps, tap on Google, tap on this three dot option, and here you will get an option of uninstall updates. Now go to Play Store, search Google and reinstall the update. Also don't forget to check the system update of your device. The next way is to force stop the Google app and relaunch it again. To do this, open settings, go to apps, go to Google, and here you will get an option of force stop. The next way is to uninstall the Android system webview updates, because sometimes it might be responsible for various app crashes on your device. To uninstall these updates, open settings, open app, go to Android system webview and tap on this three dot option and uninstall the updates. And if all these methods are not working, then simply factory reset your device. This will definitely resolve your issue. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.